In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a free Roblox server. So the first thing you want to do is you want to head over to Roblox and make sure you are signed in. Then go ahead and locate the video game that you want to create a server in. So for this video, let's go ahead and work with the Arsenal game. So go ahead and press on it just like so. All right, once you're done with that, you want to make sure that the servers section over here is actually selected. Then you want to go ahead and keep on scrolling down, and then you're going to see this button over here that says create a private server. Then you want to go ahead and press on that. So you'll notice that over here, it will actually require 100 Robux plus an additional 15 Robux in order to start. So we'll get to that in a little bit, but also I want to point out that some Roblox games actually allow you to make servers completely for free. I believe one example is the Garden game. So first of all, you want to check if you're able to make a free server in the game that you're trying to use, because sometimes you could actually get a free server, so it's always good to check. However, in this instance, we're going to need some Robux, so let me go ahead and show you what to do from here. So if you run into a situation like this, here's what we need to do. We need to go ahead and open up any tab. Again, this will work whether we're on a mobile device or on a desktop. Me personally, I'm on a desktop, but you could also do this on a phone as well, just by opening up Google, and then you want to go ahead and type this up. You just want to go ahead and look up Microsoft Rewards, and this is basically a platform that will allow us to obtain Robux in a safe manner. All right, so you should get a page that looks like this, and you just want to go ahead and press on start earning right over here. So let's go ahead and do that really quickly, and I'm going to quickly sign in. So I'll be right back with you guys, but if you never made a Microsoft account before, then you're going to want to press on this button that says create an account. But anyways, guys, I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I just signed in, and here's how it works. So over here, we're going to have a bunch of different tasks that we can go ahead and do. For example, watching a movie scene, we could learn songs to a lyrics, we could do like polls as well. So basically, we could do all these different tasks in order to get points. And look at this one, we can even get 500 points here. So that is honestly pretty insane. But guys, once you go ahead and accumulate enough points, you guys are able to go ahead and press over here where it says redeem. Then what you want to do from here is you want to go ahead and locate the Roblox gift card. Yep, so here's the Roblox gift card. So you would need to go ahead and press on this, and basically whenever you do obtain sufficient amount of Robux, you guys are able to go ahead and get a gift card, and then we can use that gift card over on Roblox to create a server. The key is consistency. You need to be on this every day in order for you to actually get points. You can't just do it some days and then other days no. If you want to get Robux, you need to do this every single day. So guys, if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.